All right, let's go. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Woo! Get it going. Get it down. Come on, calm down. Calm it down. All right, ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Let's do this. Log. So they're gone. Is this equals?
That's minus. It should be
Yes,
equals.
it is.
But
Right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be equals.
yes, equal.
All right, so that means that 16m minus 3 is equal to m squared plus 60. All right, move it over. Minus 16m plus 3 minus 16m plus 3. So I get 0 is equal to m squared minus 16m plus 63. The reason is, well, it's a quadratic. We want this quadratic to be positive, right? But we want it to equal 0. Why? So we can factor it. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. M. The signs come down. This tells me that they're the same or different.
Different.
The same.
I don't think I'll ever get that.
Plus tells me they're the same. A minus tells me that they're different.
Yeah, I hear that every time, but I'm like still.
Alright, so what's the product?
63.
What's the sum?
16.
9 and 7.
What are we doing in the sum?
13 and 3.
13 times 3. Good.
Just kidding.
Okay, so 13 times 3. Because 13 plus 3 is 16. 13 times 3 is 63.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
So do you use like the biggest factor? Is that why we're not using 5 or 9 and 7? Or what?
We use two numbers that multiply to be this, but they add to be this. 9 and 7.
Would it be wrong? Because it's the same thing, right?
Oh, 13 and 3 is wrong. 9 and 7 is right. Oops. Sorry about that. It's not 13 and 3.
You're misguiding me.
Yes. It's 9 and 7. I'm all like, they both shouldn't work. You go, girl. 9 and 7. I'm going, yeah, 9 and 7 is 16. I don't know how, I was tired.
We're just doing it yesterday. Too tired of listening.
Oh, because 13 times 3 is 69.
Wait, how did I get
13
it?
times 3 is
You got a
30.
lot of things in your mind today.
Oh, 39.
It's,
I don't know how we got
I don't know
63. That was crazy.
get your mind out the gutter.
Alright, so 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 times 7 is 63. So we get 9 and 7, right? And so this equals 0. So that means m equals what?
M equals
7 and 9. Very good.
A whole bunch of stuff. Those waffle
Okay.
cookies.
Alright, next.
yay.
We want to solve this one. I need to move this pi. So I'm going to put this pi over here.
Only did
63, 9, and 7. And I'm going to put the sum as 16 and 9 plus 7. So I can erase this because I need to work here. Alright, what do we do?
math.
Add 5, right? We got to get the logarithm alone. Okay? So I'm going to add 5. I'm going to add 5. So we get 3 log base 8 of 8 minus 9n equals 6, right?
Yep.
Okay, then what?
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So we get log base 8 of 8 minus 9n equals 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Then what?
Square the 2. Or move the 2.
The base is 8, right?
Yes.
The exponent is 2. And what's the number?
8 equal minus 9x.
Alright, so now we move it back to that exponential form. Okay? And once we can move it back to the exponential form, remember that rule? So the b to the exponent is equal to the number, and the log base b of the number is equal to the exponent, right? So that we're able to take this log and turn it into this. That's what we did here. Take the log, turn it into exponential form. Once we do that, it's easy. What's 8 squared?
64.
64 equals 8 minus 9n.
Yeah.
Subtract 8. What do you get?
56 equals 9n.
56 equals 9, negative 9n.
Yeah, negative 9.
Divide by what?
9. Negative 9.
Negative 9. What do you get?
6.2.
Isn't it negative 6?
Yeah. Negative 6.2.
It's what?
Negative 6.2.
Yeah.
Neg-
56 and 9.
Yeah.
Wait,
Fifty-
Oh,
not
Not
yeah.
56 can be divided by 9.
I was like, wait, 56.
Oh, it's 54 with 2 left over, right?
Yeah.
2. Oh, so it's 2 ninths. Negative 6 and 2 left over the 9, which means negative 6.222 infinity, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, cool. Next. Alright, we got to get those logs together. What happens when we subtract? What happens when we subtract? Divide. There we go. So we got log base 7, right? Of x squared minus 8 divided by 8 equals 2. Okay? How do I change this back to a log? Or to an exponent, sorry. Exponential form. What's the base?
7.
7. What's the exponent?
2.
2. Alright. What's the number?
8.
No.
No, x squared minus 8 over 8.
Yes. How do I get rid of that fraction?
Multiply.
By what?
8.
Good. Alright. So what's 8 times 49?
56.
Oh, bigger than 50.
8
Come on,
Wait,
times
did you
son.
say 8 times 9?
8 times 49.
Oh.
Because you got 7 squared, right?
3, 28.
I'll do it 8 times 7.
So 49 times 8,
356. 356.
392. Think if you got 8 50-cent pieces. Right? 2 50-cent pieces is going to be $1, right? So 8 and a half is 400, right? That's 400, but you're missing 1 cent from each one, from each 50-cent piece. That's 8 50-cent pieces, so you're missing 8 cents, right? What's 8 cents from 400?
What do you can just type in a
392.
calculator.
Or you can just plug it in. Yeah.
Honestly.
Use my phone.
You think you're so smart, don't you? You're so smart, you use a calculator.
I did-
Alright, what now?
Really?
I don't do anything.
I could do it.
Okay,
It's,
I did my
actually
head.
lazy.
I didn't use that.
Now we're going to add 8. What do we get? 400. Right? Then what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Square root.
We're going to square root it. That's what we're going to do.
That's how we gonna do it.
And then we're going to do it. What's the square root of 400?
20.
Yeah. Damn Skippy. Now, here's the thing. If I put positive 20 in here, is that going to be okay?
No. Yes.
Yes. If I put negative 20 in here, is that going to be okay?
Yeah.
It will actually, because negative 20 squared is positive, right? So it'll always stay positive, so therefore plus or minus 20 is the answer.
Gee.
You always got to check those logarithms, right? Just you got to check this one too, negative 6. If you put a negative in here, is that going to stay positive? Yeah, because the negative times the negative is a positive, right? Woo! Done, son.
Hey.
What?
Perfect. Yeah.
Oh yeah.